again, bold colors. Do not be afraid. We love the model here. She has the leopard cheetah top that goes now all the way to the Jacksonville, Florida. And statement sunglasses, you gotta love them.
I think that's really cool.
It is beautiful with the boots. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and your pants.
Okay.
So if you know that you're hippie and you can't abstract, so they are giving her dimension to her body.
And they're varying sizes on the stripes too.
Yes.
And you've paired it with some bright colors.
Yes. You can do that. You can color block. You can do, we have the cobalt blue. You can also color block. You can wear a white top or a black bottom. Anything like that. It's going to be gorgeous. You can wear it out into the summer. Nice pieces.
Yeah,
nice
and one of the things about that outfit
is
a
little bit like what's
the
going on?
imagination.
Yes.
That's right.
Make the heads turn.
Next up, really quickly, we've got the Japanese-inspired kimono. You can find out more information on the dbz.com.